Hey guys, EricTheReDD here for a midweek update, and it's snowing!
What's your cup of tea, mate? What's your cup of tea, mate? Look at here.
So I was blessed today with the first honest-to-God snow day that I have had in years. We're told it's going to be the be-all, end-all storm of the 2016-2017 winter season. And so far, it's not quite delivered on that promise. It's snowing. You can see that clearly. But it's this very, very fine snow. It's almost like powdered sugar. It's so tiny and granular that the accumulation in terms of inches is not that great. But this snow is drifting a lot, and it is sticky. It gets into the treads, it gets into the tires, and I went out about 3 hours ago to go to the grocery store to pick up some essential items that included energy drinks because I am terrible about planning ahead for any sort of anything. It was awful. Fortunately, I made it back safe and sound. I got some groceries, I got some energy drinks, and I am in for the long haul. That's not to say that the work is already done. Before I left, I went and I shoveled off the deck and made a little path to my car just to save my feet from getting soaked. And in the 2 hours or so that I've been back, not only is my work completely covered up by the snow that has fallen since then, it's gotten a hell of a lot worse. So I'm going to bring you outside once I put my winter gear on, and then we will, we're going to go shovel some snow. But before we do, we're going to fuel ourselves up with some of this military energy gum from this last week's episode. If you haven't caught that yet, I'll put a link in the description down below. But let me tell you, these little blue suppositories, as our friend CP Geek Josh referred to them, these are effective. 5 minutes of chewing and you are just, pow, you're off to the races. And we also had it confirmed that apparently these have been issued to members of the military. So this is the real deal. So I'm going to put some clothes on. Time to get dressed. Well, I seem to have hit a bit of a snag in that I can't find my boots and I can't find my hat. And all I found to cover my hands is a thin pair of gloves. But I'm not about to let that stop me. As any good, resourceful person will do, we will make do with the tools at hand, with what we can find around us to get the job done. And so I'm going to do just that. People may stare, but I don't care. It'll keep my face warm, keep the snow out of my hair. Well, my hair. And I'll get the job done. Probably get stared at by the neighbors as well. But one more thing before I go. Gotta need my military ration. Oh dear, I did not think this one through. There's my mouth. All right. I'm going to put on my gloves. Just thin little gloves. Oh man, this whole mask is full of mint. Oh, my eyes. Well, let's do this. Oh God, look at this. Look how far up the door it is. Shoot. Oh, there's the oh crap. I wish I had my boots. Oh darn. Probably also a bad time to notice that the GoPro's running out of battery, so. Nope. This stuff's just powder. Yeah, as I do this, would be probably a good thing to, talk. So, over the years,
Rickshaw and I have taken it upon ourselves to take advantage of snowy days such as this with a series called Snow Days. Our latest one was actually just a couple of weeks ago, Snow Days 5. So if you're into this weird sort of stuff, feel free to look it up. I'll might post a link in the comment down below. Snow Days 5, just so you can see the type of crap we do. I mean, I'm sure you know the type of crap we do, but oh God, it's up to the bottom of my doors. Oh God. That is a lot of snow. I am surprised. Oh God, that's slippery. There's so much of it. It's everywhere. Come on. Random bits of grass. Ruining my groove. If I had a pet llama, I'd call this the alpaca lips. This guy's gonna go home tonight. He's gonna tell his family saw King Kong shoveling a driveway. This is only the first third of the storm, too. So I'm supposed to keep going for another 24 hours at least. 24, 36, 48. Hike. Jesus. Fudge crackers. Why am I filming this? This isn't entertaining. Are you not entertained? You probably are. Maybe. Oh God. I know I'm past the 5-minute mark. This gum tastes terrible. Oh. Look at this. Look at that. That's the roof of my car. And that's how much it snowed. Could fit 2 fists in there. Hey. Oh God. Well, that was almost me on my ass. Forget for wearing sneakers with no treads. So I don't know where my fucking boots are. I'm a Vermonter, goddammit. I have an ape head that I can wear in place of a hat, but I don't have any goddamn boots. Also, this shovel sort of came with the house when we bought it, meaning they left it here. You can see why. The head stuck on with tape. Packing, looks like. Packing tape. Savages should have used gaffer's tape at least. Well, nobody's watching this. You're fooling yourself. You're just a dude wearing a monkey face, shoveling snow with a broken shovel, and talking to himself. Oh, that bitter taste of caffeinated gum. Oh God, it's in the mask. Oh God, where the fuck is it? Great. There's a chewed piece of caffeinated gum stuck somewhere in this mask with me. What the fuck is wrong with me? I'm a moron. God, this gum's gonna get tangled in my beard. Oh, this is gonna suck. This is really gonna suck. Hey, Mom, I know you're watching this. Are you proud of me yet? I know I am. My pants are falling down. Ass is hanging out. There's caffeinated gum in my face. I look like an idiot. It's all for them views, man. All for them views. You know what? There's a snow dam there. Next time they plow, that's gonna fill up anyway. I'm inclined to just say fuck it. God, I can't breathe in this mask. Thought this might be entertaining, but I can guarantee it's not. So close, man, just fucking finish it. Alright. Look at that. Fucking broken. Good, great, grand. And the porch is covered in snow again. Okay. Okay. That's it. We're done here. I think I've done this long enough. Okay, where the fuck is... Where's that gum? Oh, look at my face. Oh, I am moist. I am moist and stinky. I have become the ape. Oh God. Where's that gum? Maybe I did spit it out. I swear it jumped back in and hit me in the face. Look at that. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this, because I didn't. Oh, God. I need a beer.